Connecticut educators are trying to improve student success in the classroom and beyond. Today, educators gathered in Bristol to talk about the potential impact of the White House dismantling the Department of Education and ways to help the so-called anxious generation. Our colleague NBC Connecticut's Taylor Kinsler with more now on how they're trying to help.
So yesterday, students and parents testified before lawmakers in Hartford, urging them to prioritize public education funding and support disconnected youth. And today, here in Bristol, superintendents from districts across the state came together to talk about youth mental health and the anxious generation.
Our president is trying to outlaw the Department of Education, but that's not why we're here.
Governor Lamont didn't shy away from sharing his thoughts on the Trump administration's plans to shut down the education department.
I think it's a mistake.
His sentiments echoed by former Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona, who shared the message he gave to federal employees who lost their jobs.
It seems like the sky is falling. These next 24 hours is going to bring a lot of uncertainty. Let's stay above the political nonsense and focus on what we do best, serve children.
The goal of the conference of the Connecticut Association of Public School Superintendents was to pinpoint strategies to help teens better manage mental health, led by keynote speaker Jonathan Haidt, a renowned teacher and social psychologist. He says technology plays a big part in the development of youth, something Governor Lamont says needs to be addressed.
Yeah, we've got more counselors, more high dosage tutoring, and more mental health facilities at our schools, and we're still falling behind. A lot of the kids are still incredibly anxious, and the mental health needs are real. And Jonathan wants to go a step further, phone-free schools.
And several school districts across the state have already implemented this in classrooms.
Take advantage of that and leave the phone at home.
In Bristol, Taylor Kinsler, NBC Connecticut News.